Hello, good day everyone. My name is Macy, 25 years of age. I am single, never been married. My highest educational attainment is college graduate. 2 years course vocational program in Hotel Operations Services at West Central College of Arts and Science. My work experience are I have experience in caring children and elder since I was 18 years old until now. I also took care of my grandfather when he had a mild stroke. I also took care of my mother in the hospital when she was bitten by a mad dog. I took care of my aunt and her baby when she gave birth. I took care of my grandmother who was 98 years of age and no longer to see because of her old age. And last one, I took care of my friend who had a surgery on his foot. I work as an encoder in private company sector in the Philippines for more than 3 years until now. I choose to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is a safe country and Hong Kong pays high salary than the other countries. Hong Kong is one of my dream country. I'm willing to take good care of elderly and newborn baby. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family and for my future. To my future employer, Ma'am, Sir, please choose me as your caregiver because I'm hardworking, honest, obedient, and trustworthy. I promise to prioritize my job and finish my contract or more. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.